What's up, everybody? We're going to the Valentine Trail today.
Oh, the Casa Grande Mountain Range.
Day after Valentine's Day, but you'll be seeing this probably 3 weeks after. Started our morning out low tire, had a screw in it. We'll insert some clips of that. The plug in it. Have my old trusty plug that was all dusty, hidden away. We haven't had a tire problem, knock on wood, for quite a few years. But put a plug in it, so far so good. Brought all the tools just in case, made sure the spare was aired up. I should throw in a clip of what they look like, but maybe I'll just wait until I do a video on this thing for a Car Talk Tuesday. Yeah, I'll probably just do that. But we're going to head out there. Unfortunately, we didn't get our mics yet for the new camera, and it's really windy today, so we'll probably be using the phone cam. But I might do a couple POV clips of this new camera on my hat to see what that looks like.
Yeah, I'm excited because that's kind of cool.
Yep, so drop a comment below if you can tell the difference and which one you like better. We've started using this in our last week's video, so let us know if you can tell the difference, which ones you like, which ones is worse, and the sound difference. And then in next week's video, we should have those mics, so then that should be a significant difference from the, well, technically it should be a 9 times difference because we're comparing it, or an 8 times, because we're comparing a $10 microphone set to a $80 microphone set. So
Did this stuff yesterday too. Oh.
Okay, so
just so the screen shuts off.
So the screen shuts off in 2 minutes. We're gonna head out there. You got anything?
I don't think so.
It'll
be interesting though, because I think we'll have to use my phone today.
Yeah, I'm guaranteeing it, because what I like about the microphones is I can do my thing, I can lead, and then I can still talk. And all of these trails you can't walk side by side, and I don't really want to sit out there for 5 hours stopping every 10 feet to talk about something. I like to move and go and get it done within, I should say my ankle likes to move, go, and get it done within an hour and a half, 2 hours. So
yeah, and this one should be quick. It's only 1.5 miles up to the peak, or round trip. But we go up right away.
This is our first moderate hike with me. So when we get back, we'll do a review. We'll rate it, see if it's worth your guys' time, see if you can do it, and then, yeah. We might... What? Alright. We'll see you when you get there. Wow. You come out here and you graffiti and like you poop in there. You should just not anymore. It's almost disgusting. That was gnarly. Should have recorded that one. This probably doesn't even look like nothing on camera.
I don't think cameras ever show, actually.
This would have been way easier to do on a side-by-side. Just kidding, I think you'd probably be dying. Just pull over, I'll walk up it.
That's what my dad was saying when we were going up the other day. So all I can think is, just let me out, I want to get out.
Yeah.
We'll walk.
I'll meet you at the top. Yeah, that's where we come down.
Can we get over there?
Huh?
So can we get over there from here?
Maybe if we had like a wingsuit, we could just jump and... Ah, it hurts when I go slow. I gotta keep my momentum up. Long strides. This is almost worse than the radio tower climb over there. That's all paved. This is definitely steeper and slipperier. And she's having a tough time. Do you want me to carry some things and stuff for you?
You can have my water. This is putting it. See if like this gives me.
Hey.
Oh, we should have done this all the time.
Yeah, there we go. Now we're in 4-wheel drive. Now I can push you. Let's go. Come on. That stair stepper. Get them thighs just a burning. They're waiting. What's that? We're almost there. You can do it.
I know.
It's right there.
I'm just burning.
Show the peoples you can do it. Good job. Don't toss your water. Just throw it.
That's where the sticks come handy.
Just run, I'll catch you.
Can I just slide on my butt?
No. That's a good thumbnail right here, I bet. Reach! Alright. Yeah. Perfect.
Thanks, husband.
You got her. How cute was that, huh? Smells like somebody farted. Over halfway done. So it sounds
Yeah,
like
it's only like a mile and a half too.
they're on a different one. We're gonna take this up and over, and then they're just going around the corner now. So I think this is the one that we take when we're parked over there. Which is crazy because I've never looked up and seen this before.
Same.
Crazy, I thought we were booking. Too windy. I can't wait for them new mics to come with the wind socks. Cause I'm thinking that it won't matter.
Yeah, these ones don't have that.
I mean, they got the foam, but I think the windsock works better.
How are you looking so complicated?
That's what I said. I thought we were like going really fast.
They were like a whole step above us, and then all of a sudden I hear like they're on my heels.
Yeah, and then they're on my heels, and I was like, what? Where are you? Otherwise, I would have got over.
Why can't they see like, excuse me or something?
Yeah.
Let me sleep across you.
Whoop.
Just gonna sneak in there real quick.
That's what I say to you about once a month.
What?
Nothing. And then,
That's crazy. Like we were just right there.
yep.
I'm right there.
And we could use a cringy clickbait title of "We almost died on this trail." Are you gonna keep the clip in where I point at the clouds? Earlier. You'll see it when you're editing. It's got a flower on it. On the back side. Yeah, we're definitely gonna do this one and the radio tower. I just need to figure out which order.
I would space them out. So.
Well, I'll probably do it like on a Friday. Or no, yeah. Well, I guess depending on weather. Do it on Friday or Saturday and then take Sunday, Monday to go do other things. But for 2 of them, you ain't coming, so I could do those early morning Friday, and then Saturday we can go to some car shows, and hopefully it brings down the Blackstone so that we can do all of the cooking at home this year. And then just do like your dad, just pick one place that's has food that we can't really make at home, like the Cheesecake Factory or something. People are always gonna be like, what are you always looking in the sky for? What are we looking at? I like planes.
Are you scrunching your ball?
Nope. I forgot.
Oh, we just hit a mile.
Hey, there's us. A couple of years. Except for we won't have a Jeep in the back, that's for sure.
But subscribe so we can do that.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all of that. We want to be doing that. Not going to California though. Probably the other way.
We could go check out. We're going to Yuma.
Yeah.
We're going to listen to music on.
No. Those are old people. In overalls.
All the way by the, like, back into the Bravo.
Oh, yeah. Those are those. And it wasn't a Stanley, it was a coffee. Full-blown coffee from a gas station, it looked like.
She was jamming.
Yep.
I'm dying. She's playing music and dancing.
Yep.
I guess now starting to get warm.
Here's now starting to get warm.
Yeah.
You've been hot this whole time, honey. It's a good thing I haven't been following you the whole time. I've been poking you with my walking stick. What did you say? Pull over?
I said you know.
Should almost start making some blooper reels, some blooper shorts. Well, I'm just wondering how stalkerishly this looks. How close am I to you? Oh, we're fine. I like how the field of view is way out on this one. Cause it. We didn't see that?
Well, I thought her husband left her when down right.
No, well, they followed. It was almost like she's like, I've had enough, and he's like, I've had enough of both of you. Let's just go down here. And then he just.
Yeah, I thought the mom and daughter went left.
No.
And he went down there.
No. Now there's.
Go over her though, because that's difficult, and she looked like she could pop any day.
Yeah, there's no trail or nothing there. That's just.
Not also kind of dangerous.
Funny. Okay, there's more like us now. Class A. There's your Yukon with the bikes in the back of the Yukon. Do it. Morning.
Nice camera.
Hey, thanks. Yeah, that'd be cool. Heading to our RV resort over in Yuma. How about a little Honda instead of a side-by-side? A little Honda today. No? So we don't really need that one for just getting groceries and stuff.
My thighs are sore too from our bike ride yesterday. I forgot about that.
Yeah. Comment down below if you guys want to see a bike ride POV through Arizona City.
Not because we live there or anything, but we're just close.
I mean, we live there. we're not going to be living there for very much longer, I hope. So hopefully by the time that everybody sees this and we blow up, we're already at our 100,000 subscribers. We're gone.
We're at 19 now. We gained 2 in the last 2 days.
We're up to 211 watch counts, views.
Views. And shout out to your sisters.
Yeah.
For being our main comment contributors.
Yeah, but don't comment anything weird. Don't make it weird. Quit doing that. Where are we going after here, honey?
What?
Where are we moving to after here?
Tumblebeans coffee.
No, moving.
Oh.
Not going. We're probably going to Walmart after this, unfortunately.
We're moving to... Are you sure this is the right one?
Sure. Yep.
I don't know. I think... I want to check out Idaho.
Idaho.
Maybe part of Wyoming.
And this is why we want to do the RV life so bad, is because we don't even know. Right? We lived in North Dakota for 27 years before we just said, alright, we're moving to Arizona. And then we moved here, learned a lot. We're definitely going to be making a video on that. Lots of cons, couple pros. Was it worth it? Was it not worth it? How's our bodies doing? Update. You guys don't even know what we're going through, I don't think.
I mean, we can even throw talk with
Yeah, poor little guy's been coughing the whole damn time he's here.
or something specifically.
Oh, I suppose we can't ruin it. Poor little guy. Don't worry, he's still alive. Hopefully the audio is good. I feel like there's a lot of good talking points on this one.
Oh, I also wouldn't mind, like, checking out like, what is an Ohio? I have no idea.
That is not a place for a car guy.
Ohio?
That is like the rust bucket central of America.
I mean, you live in North Dakota. How much worse can you get?
It's way worse because North Dakota uses like some gravel and sand, versus like Minnesota, Ohio, like all of those places all use like all salt.
Well,
And then everybody has the mentality of, well, if I wash it in the winter, everything's gonna freeze and it's just gonna get dirty on the next drive anyways, so they go all winter without cleaning the salt off of it, and then it just gets caked into everywhere, and then they just bring it through a drive-through car wash that doesn't get the underside of it or anything, and then they're like, why is my car rusty? I don't know, maybe because you didn't care for it your whole ownership. Maybe that's another Car Talk Tuesday I could bring up. Basic maintenance, and stop avoiding just the cheap things that you're supposed to do at your regular intervals. Like when you go get your oil changed and the guy pulls out your air filter and it's dirty, why are you yelling at him, letting you know that you haven't did your basic minimum maintenance requirements that you're supposed to do?
but you also, maybe you should do one for the girls. Because, like, if I went there and somebody showed me my filter, was like, it's dirty, I'd be like, I'll deal with it later. I'm just a girl.
I mean, sure, go on Rock Auto, find one for $1 with $3 shipping and save yourself $10, but just know that if somebody else is showing you and you don't know your car and saying that it's dirty, take that as it's a probably, and then if you're still unsure and you don't want to get screwed over, get a second opinion. Don't just go on Facebook and just blast this guy for trying to keep the car's health alive by saying that he's trying to get you for more money. The Tahoe is a prime example of how that thing could have been in way better shape. And that's a single, or was a single owner until we got it.
What was the men are for?
I mean, there was a Facebook video saying that if women were to own cars, there wouldn't, like, you couldn't open the hood. Everything would be censored, and the dealership will call you like, okay, it's time to bring your car in for an oil change.
Yeah. What's wrong with that?
Like, there's a point of a dipstick, so like if you have a leak, before you get into your car and you drive it 300 miles on a road trip, you can check to see if there's any oil in it, so that when you're halfway there, you don't screw up the motor. Alright, now it's getting loud. The audio's probably not gonna work. But we did it, we made it. That one was pretty easy. And look at that, we still got a tire aired up. If we put it in the clips this morning, we had a screw in the tire. Look at that, still golden. We're still rolling. We rolling 39-minute clip.
Alright, 77 minutes, 1.58 miles.
What do we got here? Battery percentage 41 and 59. I feel like that's pretty good for. Come on, let go. Feel like that's pretty good for how long we've been doing this. I think we need to get a.
Oh no.
Ruh-roh, Raggy.
We lost a clip.
Plus, we got new ones coming.
Yeah.
We'll find them later.
Oh, I found it.
All right. Comment down below how did you like the POV? Is that something we can do?
I'm excited to look at it.
When she's chopping up the video, there might be some music and stuff in there just to fill up the wind noise. Oh, you guys went for a ride there. I was just saying, I almost need like a little suction cup for the windshield for when they're doing the end of the hike videos. But let us know if you want the music or if you just want to cut all of that out. Do you like us talking? Do you not like us talking? Do you like us looking around? Do you like...
Yeah, we need your feedback.
Yeah, let us know, because we're posting these videos doing a bunch of different things, and then we're not getting any real feedback, so we don't know what's working or what's not working. But this is our...
This will be number
6 or 7?
4, 5, yeah, 7
So
or
this
8.
This will be number 7 or 8. We just did that hike. Oh yeah, difficulty. How difficult was that on a scale of, what were we doing, 1 to 5 or 1 to 10?
Let's do 1 to 5.
1 to 5, to me, difficulty, that was probably it's gonna be weird for a lot of people on my rating scale, but that's like a 3 out of 5. I would definitely rather do that one twice versus what video did we do, the lookout point one? Second video or something like that.
1 or 2.
I did not like the 2 miles of horrible terrain, even though we weren't going up and down any hills. And the video we didn't even record yet, the radio tower one that you're probably not going to see her do again.
Yeah, I'm not going there. Well, I'm not.
Me and Dad will probably do that one, but
I know what to expect now.
no. I would rather do those versus the 3 to 4 mile ones where you have to go on the uneven terrain on the bottom. That's, to me, is the worst of the hikes. I did notice when I had to put a lot of weight and my foot, let's see how you can see that, was going like this. I have ankle fusion, so there's a titanium plate like right here, and right where this joint flexes up is like somebody just shooting a knife through you. So there was quite a few spots where if I was by myself or with Dad, I can just go and just get it done, get it over with. But like when I stop and I turn, or like I kind of slow down and wait, is whenever it's not like terrible, horrible pain, but it's enough to like not want to do it anymore. So if you noticed with the POV, I will kind of go up and then stop and then just slowly turn around the other way and then wait for her and then go up again, versus just like kind of going slow and nonchalant. But other than that, it was nothing for me to get up there. It wasn't difficult at all. It wasn't long. We picked a good time because it wasn't super hot either.
Yeah, I wore my sweatshirt the whole time.
But yeah, so I'm gonna do 3 out of 5 for difficulty. I'm gonna do a 1.5 for length. And would I do it again? Yeah, definitely. When Dad comes down here, we'll do another video. What about you?
I think I would also do a 3 out of 5. I don't know. It probably took like, what, 20 minutes to get to the top.
Yeah, it wasn't long at all. Like, when you look at the phone always lies. And even when we were looking at it, I was like, oh, we're already a fifth of the way done. Usually when you're doing these hikes, you look at it and you're like, we haven't even made it 200 feet yet.
Yeah.
So
just to tell you get to the top is difficult for me. And then I noticed the last couple hikes, when you have to go up, and if you don't have like good grip on your shoes when you're going up and then your feet start to slip, I get anxiety and then I get scared to go up. And then my thighs and my calves were burning, but then I remembered we rode over 5 miles on our bikes yesterday, which I also don't ever do. And then one thing that ruined it today though was the wind.
yeah.
It was so windy at the top.
Yeah, I think that would have made this video a lot more enjoyable, was just our normal... Well, I think for you guys, comment down below if you like it. Just talking back and forth and just having conversations. Because if... Like, the whole channel is to be, like, relatable. That channel idea is to be relatable. So, like, talking about relatable scenarios and, like, our lives while we're doing something relatable, I think just makes the videos more interesting. That could just be me, but... I mean, let us know. Do you just like watching because of the area and you like hiking and like that's something that you can do, or do you like the commentary of hearing like what's going on in our lives? Because I would say our lives is normal, but also it's probably less normal than a lot of people, just because
Oh, I don't know, because we're broke.
yeah, like we can't really afford to do anything because everything is so expensive these days. I could roll the window up for everything is just too expensive. Like I don't know if this clip is going to be in there, but like we were talking about when we went to the Oro Valley National Park, $20 to me is a lot to go hiking for 2 hours, because like I said earlier in this video, if it makes it, when Dad comes down here and just say we go to Central Valley Raceway and we go to the races, and then we end up going into Tucson or Phoenix for a nice supper, all 3 of those things is going to be over $200 with gas. And that is just mind-blowing these days. We're relatable. Like, we don't have fancy cars. We don't go over to Dubai and take these fancy trips and cruises. And
But if you would like to send us there,
hey,
we'll go.
you got some Capital One's rewards that can take us on a free cruise. I mean, we still probably couldn't even do that, because then it would be 2 weeks of having to get the dog shots and then bring them to the kennel. And oh, man.
But yeah, we're just your average Joes.
Yeah, there's nothing fancy or special about us. So that's why I think we will resonate with a lot of people. At least I hope.
I
But
think so.
we won't know unless you guys let us know. Do we need to shut up and just show you around? Like, are you here for the views, or are you here for the details?
Right.
Yep.
And if you guys, so DBN Adventures is also our sponsor for this camera. He's currently making a Sasquatch series. If you want to watch it on YouTube, I can put his link down in the description. But it's DBN Adventures on YouTube. If you're on no, he doesn't have Snapchat. When he's on trips, his Snapchat is various adventures. You can follow along on his public stories.
And then
But my dad's got a lot of...
put this stuff down in the description too, so they can just click on it.
Yeah, it's my dad. I'll give you a link and check out his videos because he does a lot of content. A lot of random things.
Also, follow our Snapchat. We just created one a couple days ago.
Yeah.
And it's the relatables on Snapchat. And
we feel old.
that's a whole nother video that I could do. We feel like boomers here.
Technology.
Oh man. We can see why people hire people to do the social medias and all this stuff. It's so frustrating.
Yeah.
But we're trying to figure it out. So just check us out, The Relatables, on everything. We're on TikTok, Snapchat,
Well,
YouTube.
the usernames are at the Relatables3 because the Relatables was taken.
But am I on the thumbnails? Just look for big bearded ugly dude.
You're not ugly.
Big bearded dude. Click on it. You can find us. But yeah, where are we going next?
The coffee shop.
Where are we
I
going?
have a lot of rewards.
Where are we going next weekend? What's next on the agenda? What can these people look forward to?
I haven't got that far yet.
It's a mystery. So next week we're gonna do a mystery hike.
I'm back to work on Monday, so we'll see.
Unfortunately.
How the week goes.
Maybe tomorrow I'll get bored and I'll conjure up a video for Car Talk Tuesday. And
we can test out our new mics.
Yeah. We'll do a review. We'll do the Tahoe first. Oh girl. We'll go over that. Maybe I'll do it this weekend or next weekend. Because then I think the following weekend we should have quite a bit more content when Dad comes down here. So, alright. We'll catch you on the next one. Hope you guys have a good one.
Bye.